Hey guys, what's up? Today I have a Hyundai Elantra. This is 2017 Elantra right here. So this is the shape, this is what it looked like. And today I'm going to show you how to change your outside door handle. Because as you can see, this one is already broken off. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this. It's basically the same thing to replace all of them. So I'm going to show you how to do it, alright? It's not that hard. So first you want to get the door to open. Door open. You want to get a flathead screwdriver to take this off. Or if your fingernail is strong enough to take this off, you can do it like that. And you want to get that that's in there, that screw in there. That's a 10mm or a Phillips head screw. Alright, so it's not gonna come all the way out. You just gotta take it out where it's not holding that thing, alright? Alright. So I'm just gonna bring the door around here. To take it out, you just wanna peel it backwards. You see how I do that? So you want to take the front off and peel it backwards like this. Alright, then you can bring this back and out. So here is the door handle right here. So to put it in, you push this part in first like this, but don't push it all the way in. So you want to have it like this, then you slide it forward and you will hear it lock into place. And go ahead and put this, but you gotta lift this out like that. Alright, so that's it guys. That's how you do that, and it should work after that. Okay, so it's the same to change all 4 doors. It's the same for the back. As you can see, this the hole right here. It's already missing the cap, but I have the screw in there, as you can see. And the same for all the 4 doors on this car. It's the same for the front doors on the Kia Optima and the Hyundai Sonata. Alright, so pull this up. So yeah guys, I haven't tightened up anything. It's still loose. So I'm just gonna show you how you can go ahead and change it if it's broken and it's still in there, or how to change your door handle for any other door. So you would have to open it first, or you can open the outside won't be working. That's why you change it from the open it from the inside. Get it from here. Take this piece off right here. I just let it fall down. So take that part off right here. Take that out. Just like the front of the video, you'll get your Phillips head screw or your 10mm. Take that out. Then you want to hold this, pull forward, and peel this backwards towards the car, to the rear of the car. Alright, to get it out, then you slide this back, take this off. That's how you remove your door handle. Alright, and it worked for all 4 doors. So after you take that out, to get your new handle, put it in, you lock it in. As you can see, it's locked and it worked the door. So now what you want to do is pull this forward, get this in, put it, reverse it the way you take it out. Alright, and then you want to get your 10mm, tighten this up right here. Do a couple test run, and that's it. Now it's time to put your cap back on, that cover right here. Alright, so you just want to put it on with a little force. Don't Don't try to force it because you might push it all the way in the door. Alright, so that's it guys. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up if I help you. Alright, peace out, see you next time.